Hey guys! In this video, I will teach you how to fix your microphone not working on your Windows 10 desktop or laptop. So, let's start. The first thing that you need to do is to click the Start button. Click Settings or the gear shape button. Now, when you're on the Settings panel, scroll down and click on Privacy. On the left menu, scroll down, find Microphone, and then click it. After you do so, you can see Allow apps to access your microphone. Now, check if it's turned off or on. If it is turned off, then obviously that's the reason why your microphone is not working. Also, you can scroll down and check the app that you are using if the microphone is turned off or not. Like for example, if you are using Skype, I recommend you to check if the microphone is turned on. Because if not, that would be the reason that your microphone is not working. That's it. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.